I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I went back in the storeroom today and I brought out this. This is a Ward's Master Quality, and that's what it says on the label, but most of the label is gone. So I know that it's a bench grinder, and I know that it's a hand crank bench grinder. And it's kind of unusual for a hand crank bench grinder in that it has a tool rest on it. Now quite often I get them that have a tool rest of sorts. Somebody's taken a bent piece of iron and they've stuck it on there and made it work, which is fine. I mean, that's what we do, right? We make things work. But this one, this is the original tool rest. Now there's a little kink in this piece of stamped steel that supports the tool rest, but I think I can straighten that back out. This one is also unusual. Hear how quiet that is? This one's been taken care of. It's dirty. It's been oiled a lot. But it works like a charm. So I don't think I have to do anything major to it, but I'm going to take it apart and clean it. And I want to put the 00 grease in there. Thanks, Louie. It's a great idea. Makes them run even better. So that's going to be a project. Here's the sped up version of the disassembly of the little green one that I did previously. I cleaned and rebuilt another one of these in April of 2017. Didn't have two mounts, and I think it's got better bearings in it. So it might be a later version. And we'll see you here tomorrow. I disassembled this Montgomery Ward's hand grinder just to show you what the insides look like. So, now I just have to tear this one down and get it cleaned up, see what it looks like. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.